Today I want to give you a quick look at our Tpms range. On the left we've got our 4-sensor kit. On the right is the 6-sensor version. And here in the middle is our 8-sensor Tpms, which is designed for larger setups like caravans, trailers, and motorhomes. In this video, I'll show you exactly what comes in the box, how easy it is to set up.
Inside the box you'll find everything you need to get started. You get the solar-powered Tpms display, your tyre pressure sensors, anti-theft locking nuts, the installation spanner, a USB charging cable, and the user manual. There's no wiring required and installation is quick and straightforward. Before we begin, let's switch the display on and remove the protective film from the screen. The display comes with a rechargeable battery and a built-in solar panel, so once it's installed it will automatically recharge while you're driving. This is the default settings menu. From here you can customize the monitor to suit your vehicle and your preferred units. First, you can choose whether you'd like to display tyre pressure in PSI or bar. Simply use the side buttons to switch between the two. You can also choose how tyre temperature is displayed. Next, we'll set the pressure alarm values. These alarms warn you if your tyre pressure drops too low or rises above your chosen limit. You can set separate values for the front and rear tyres, allowing you to match the recommended pressures for your own vehicle or caravan. Once your settings are complete, simply hold the center button to return to the main monitoring screen. Now we're ready to pair the sensors. Pairing the sensors is simple. Select the wheel position you want to pair, then install the matching sensor onto that tyre's valve stem. Within a few seconds, the monitor will detect the sensor automatically and begin displaying live pressure and temperature readings. Now I'll install the sensor onto the valve stem, make sure it's tightened firmly onto the valve and check for any air leaks before moving on. Once it's fitted properly, the monitor will automatically recognize the sensor and display the live tyre pressure and temperature. Then just repeat the same process for the remaining wheels. Once all your sensors are installed, it's time to mount the display inside the vehicle. The monitor features an adjustable stand so you can position it for the best viewing angle. Simply remove the backing from the supplied double-sided adhesive tape and attach it securely to your dashboard or windscreen. Make sure the solar panel's facing upwards so it receives as much sunlight as possible during normal driving. This helps keep the internal battery charged automatically. One of the great features of this monitor is its automatic wake-up function. When you open your vehicle door or begin driving, the built-in vibration sensor turns the display on automatically. After you've parked for a few minutes, it enters sleep mode to help conserve battery power. That's it. Your Apex Gear Tpms is now fully installed and ready to help monitor your tyres in real time. You'll receive instant alerts if tyre pressure or temperature moves outside your preset limits, helping you spot potential problems before they become expensive repairs or dangerous blowouts. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide has helped you get everything set up quickly and easily. If you have any questions, our Australian support team is always here to help. Right now we're also running a 50% off promotion with fast and free shipping Australia-wide. If you haven't ordered yours yet, simply click the link below and upgrade your vehicle's safety today. Thanks again for choosing Apex Gear, and safe travels wherever the road takes you.